Happy Teachers Month po, Ma'am Tates. Sorry po kapag sa mga kulits ko. Sorry po. Tapos, thank you po kapag sa teaching. Tapos, learning. Tapos, tapos, ang bait mo. Tapos, thank you po tuturuan ng ng lahat. Tapos, thank you po magpa-pray, magti-teach kung paano mag-pray kapag nagkain. Bye-bye. God bless. Bye! Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Tates. Thank you for teaching me. Love you. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher Day, Teacher Tates. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Tates. Thank you for teaching me. I love you po. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Tates. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Tates. God bless po. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Tates. Thanks for teaching me. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Tates. I love you po. And God bless po. Happy Teacher's Day po, Teacher Tates. Ingat po kayo palagi. I love you. I miss you. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Tates. Maraming salamat po sa mga turo sa amin. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Tates. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Tates. I love you so much. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you po, Ma'am Tates. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Tates. Thank you sa mga teacher. I love you po. Happy Teacher's Day po, Ma'am Tates. Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Tates. Love you. Happy Teacher's Days,
Ma'am Tates.
Ma'am Tates. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Tates. I love you. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher Tates. Teacher Day, Teacher Tates. Happy Teacher's Day, Teacher. Hi, Teacher Tates. Thank you. Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you po sa pagtuturo sa amin na classmate ko. May natutunan po kami. I love you, Teacher Tates.